Welcome to Science Encyclopedia College. Today we are going to be looking at questions under the concept of energy stored in a capacitor. Now, the energy stored in a capacitor is simply the work done in that capacitor. So we have the question on the board that says the energy stored in a capacitor of capacitance 5 microfarad is 40 joules. What is the energy applied across its time? So the first thing we'll do here is we'll write out the formula before we bring out our parameters. But we can actually bring out the parameters before writing out the formula. So we have the formula is W is equals to 1 over 2 times C times V squared. This formula is the same thing as 1 over 2 CV squared. Where C stands for capacitance and V stands for voltage. So, based on the question now, we have the energy stored in a capacitor of capacitance. So we have our C, which is giving us 5 microfarad, which is going to be 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 F. That's the unit for measuring capacitor. We change it to its standard unit, which is farad. So the next thing is 40 joules is for W. So W is the work done, which is the energy. It is 40 joules. So therefore, substituting these parameters into this formula, we'll be having 40 equals to 1 over 2 times. Our C is 5 times 10 to the power minus 6 times. We're looking for V, so we have V squared. Now, this is going to be V squared is going to be equal to, if we collect like terms, this is together, so we are dividing both sides by what is attached to the V squared here. So V squared equals to 40 over this, let me change this to 0.5 instead of 1 over 2. So 0.5 times 5 times 10, make it like this. 5 times 10 to the power minus 6 minus 6. So we will now be having V squared is going to be equals to, if we divide it, 40 divided by 0.5 times 5 times 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, we're having 6.0 times 10 raised to the power of 7. So therefore, we have, it's going to be V. We take the square root of both sides. So the square root of 6.0 times 10 raised to the power of 7 is going to be V will be equals to our square root. So this will be 4 times 10 to the power of 3 V, that's volt. So this is the answer to this question. So it means that the voltage in this energy or the voltage in this capacitor is the same thing as 4 times 10 to the power of 3 volt. So thank you for watching, and don't always forget to like, to share and to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.